going on, Mixonite? So every so often I answer a few questions, and this one is pretty common. It comes from Philip. The question is, can you do a video about slim calves for men or lose fat on calves? The simple answer is yes, but it ain't no fun unless we all get some. So in this video, I'm going to do it for both men and women, boys and girls, or anyone who just wants to have smaller calves. Now, Philip, since you requested this video, I need you to share this with Lottie, Dottie, everybody. I know what you look like, so I'm going to come for you if you don't share this video. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and also flexing on that like button, especially if you're a Mixonite. Now, when it comes to slimming your calves, you have to consider the type of calves you may have. Now, there are two types. There are your fat calves, and then you have your muscular calves. Now, if you are the one with the fat calves, your best bet is to reduce your overall weight. Now, you can do that by reducing your calorie intake and by exercising, but for the best results, I would consider doing both if you want to speed up that process. Now, if you have muscular calves, more than likely you already work out and also eat a balanced meal. So your best move will include changing up your diet and also your fitness routines. Now, these methods will work for everyone, no matter how big or how small you are. Now, overall, you want to reduce the calories you consume on a day's end. At the same time, if you want to include better foods in your diet, you want to do things with like lean protein, fresh vegetables, and also whole foods or whole grains. I was thinking about whole foods for some reason. So figuring out how many calories you consume on a day is key here too. For example, if you consume 1,500 calories on a day, you could easily take away 500 calories. Now, you may be a little hungry, but your body will probably get used to it. Now, by the way, consult with your physician before trying this. Anyway, that is 500 calories taken away from your diet each day. Now, there are 7 days in a week, so 500 times 7 is 3,500 calories. Thank you, basic math. Anyway, 3,500 calories is equal to 1 pound of weight that you could lose each week by changing your diet alone. This doesn't include the workout. Now, if you work out 2-3 of my videos on a day, that averages about 30 minutes of training. Now, that was a plug for me if you didn't catch that. So avoid exercises that will pump your legs up like stationary bikes. I'm not doing any spin classes on my channel, so you're good. Now, if you do more walking, swimming, distance running, or any of those options for cardio, that'll be good for the books too. Now, when doing strength training exercises, use lighter weights and increase your reps too. Avoid any machines that are dedicated to your calves. Overall, increase your daily activity. Keep your body moving and your calves will slim. I would suggest measuring them to see the progress too. Park further away from the store and also stand more than you sit, which I'm sitting right now. But anyway, walk around for your lunch. Anything you should do, it should be extra. And next thing you know, your calves will be slim. Now, if this video brought you value, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please share this with the world. And if you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. And I will catch you on the next video. Peace.